In this video, we will be covering the basic concepts of quantity-based volume pricing.
Volume pricing is a pricing strategy that allows discounts for bulk purchases. Typically, the greater the number of units purchased, the greater the discount allowed. This is an optional feature, provided as part of our App Exchange app product bundle. We support two kinds of volume pricing: bulk pricing, and tiered pricing. Let's say, for a product, for quantity less than or equal to 10, flat pricing of $200 is offered. For quantity up to 15, it is $17 each, and for quantity up to 25, it is $15 each. Group or each can be specified using unit of measurement option. Group option lets you define the flat price or percentage for the given quantity. Each option lets you define the price for each item individually. Let's say quantity purchased is 8. In that case, total price will be flat $200 due to group as unit of measurement. If quantity purchased is 13, total price will be multiplication of each item price with quantity. Same is true if quantity purchased is 20. Let's check tiered pricing model for same setup. For quantity 8, it will be flat price of $200 due to group as unit of measurement. For quantity 13, it will price first 10 as $200 due to flat rate setup, and remaining 3 are priced at $17 each, as per this slab setup. For quantity 20, it will price first 10 as $200, next 5 are priced at $17 each, due to quantity range of up to 15 in slab 2, and remaining 5 are priced at $15. Based on this example, we can see that bulk pricing applies the pricing, or discount, on total quantity of the product, as per slab it falls in, while tiered pricing applies the pricing, or discount, by breaking the total quantity, as per the slabs. Let's check how to define these pricing models on standard Salesforce product using our app. Modify standard products page layout to add volume pricing model field, and add volume pricing related list. Click New button in Volume Pricing Related List. Enter user-friendly label. Sales reps will see this label while configuring products or bundles. By default, it will be active. You can deactivate it if it is invalid but you want to retain this price range for future. Default unit of measurement is each. Other option is group, as discussed earlier. Let's select group for this case, as we need flat pricing for equal, or less than 10 quantity. Price book is an optional field, and select price book if you want to restrict this volume pricing to specific price book. Lower quantity is starting quantity for the range, or slab. Upper quantity is upper quantity for the range or slab. Field name is the name of the field, which needs to be updated based on the quantity range. To apply volume pricing to a custom field, add the custom field API name in the field name pick list in volume pricing object. Field value is the value in currency, percent, or number. Field type is to show the values in appropriate format. Segment is an optional field to restrict this volume pricing to specific segments like region, customer type, etc. Click Save, or Save and New, to add volume pricing records for different quantity range. Let's look at the product's configuration for the example discussed earlier. We have selected bulk pricing as volume pricing model for this product. As per the table discussed earlier, we have set up volume pricing. For less than equal to 10 quantity, we have set up group as unit of measurement, lower quantity as 1, and upper quantity as 10. Standard sales price as field to be updated, and flat price of $200, which is of type currency. Similarly, for up to 15 quantity range, we have set up each as unit of measurement, lower quantity as 11, and upper quantity as 15, standard sales price as field to update with price per unit, as $17. For up to 25 quantity range as well, configuration is similar except lower and upper quantity range, and price per unit is 15. For other product, we have set up volume pricing model as tiered pricing. All setup for volume pricing related list is same as previous product. Let's check the behavior on opportunity add line item page as an example for these products. For bulk pricing product, if quantity is 8, we can check the pricing details by clicking on gear icon, which is showing $200 for 8 quantity, due to flat pricing set up for a quantity of 10. Savings are calculated based on the standard price of the product. Also, notice that, based on total price of $200, sales price is adjusted accordingly. Now, if quantity is 13, which is falling in second slab, and due to bulk pricing model, all 13 quantities are multiplied with $17. Total price and sales price have been calculated accordingly. Similarly, for quantity 20, as it is falling in third slab, all 20 quantities are multiplied with $15 to derive the total cost, and sales price has been adjusted accordingly. Let's check tiered pricing model for same quantities. For quantity 8, it will be similar to bulk pricing model due to flat price setup. For quantity 13, let's check the pricing calculation by clicking on gear icon. Notice the difference from bulk pricing that first 10 quantities are priced at $200. But remaining 3 are priced at $17 each, as per the second slab pricing. Also, sales price has been averaged out, accordingly. Similarly, for quantity of 20, first 10 quantities are priced at $200, next 5 are priced at $17 as per second slab setup, and remaining 5 are priced at $15. Total price is summation of all these prices, and sales price has been averaged out, accordingly. Let's check another example, which explains the percentage discount configuration, based on quantity. Tiered pricing model has been considered for this product, in this example. Let's check the volume pricing configuration. Let's say 10% discount is offered for quantities between 20 to 50. Unit of measurement has been selected as each. Lower quantity is set to 20, upper quantity is 50. Field to be updated is standard discount field. Field value is 10, and type is %. Similarly, for second quantity range of 51 to 100, discount is set to be updated with 20%. Let's check the behavior on opportunity line item page for this configuration. If product quantity is 25, it falls in first quantity range, so 10% discount is applied as per the volume price configuration, and sales price is updated automatically to 90, by applying discount on list price of 100. If say, product quantity is 60, which falls in second quantity range, so as it is configured as tiered pricing model, first 50 are discounted at the rate of 10%, as per first slab, and remaining 10 are discounted at the rate of 20, as per second slab. Sales price and discount fields are updated with average values. These calculations work when products are added as bundles, or added to the cart as well. To summarize, volume pricing model and quantity range needs to be configured on products, so that sales reps can configure product pricing without leaving Salesforce or worrying about Excel sheets. We offer free 15 days full feature trial. Visit our website for detailed documentation, pricing, or contact our support for any queries.